Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will explain the doctrine of colorable legislation, a key constitutional concept often referred to as fraud on the constitution. Let's simplify it and understand how it protects our constitution. The doctrine of colorable legislation checks whether the legislature is crossing its limits. If it cannot pass a law directly, it also shouldn't try to pass it indirectly. This doctrine stops such tricks and defends constitutional boundaries. This doctrine comes from the Latin saying, quando aliquid prohibitur ex directo, prohibitur et per obligum. That means, what cannot be done directly cannot be done indirectly. It was adopted in India from British colonial practices and other common law countries like Canada and Australia. After independence, it became part of India's legal framework. This doctrine helps courts check if a legislature has the power to pass a law. If a law is passed on a subject outside their authority, even in a disguised way, it is struck down. It's about what lies beneath the law, not just its title. This doctrine usually applies to Article 246 of the Constitution. This article divides subjects between the center and states using three lists: union, state, and concurrent. If one lawmaking body enters another's domain, it is a colorable act. Let's simplify it. The parliament can make laws only on union list subjects. States can legislate on state list subjects. Both can work together on the concurrent list, but conflicts go in favor of parliament. The court applies this doctrine when it suspects a law has been passed outside legal powers. It examines the true nature and effect of the law, not just the wording or title. If it finds misuse, the law is declared unconstitutional. This doctrine has some limits. It only checks legislative competence, not whether the law is good or bad. It doesn't apply to rules made under laws or where the Constitution gives full power. In the case of R.S. Joshi versus Ajit Mills 1977, the Supreme Court gave a clear verdict. It said that even if a law looks proper on paper, it can be invalid if it hides its real unconstitutional purpose. You cannot fake authority, not even with clever legal words. To conclude, the doctrine of colorable legislation is a vital constitutional safeguard. It ensures no legislature crosses its line, even indirectly or cleverly. It protects the federal structure and keeps our democracy in balance. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.